MercsAirsoft is proudly sponsored by Airsoft Extreme, eHobbyAsia, GoPro Camera, CQB City, Alakdan Airsoft, and Airsoft Battlegrounds.
Go, 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 go! Get around him, we gotta get around him. Wait! Yeah.
Where they at?
They're right here. Right there.
Pull on all the way to the bottom.
Don't hold full auto too long, you might burn out your tracer.
Okay.
Is he clear? I need to move up.
There's one guy right over here, popping out of this door. You want me to shoot and you move?
Yeah.
Where you moving to?
I'm gonna move up to where the kids are.
This one?
Yeah.
Ready? Go. Reloading!
Throw one behind that wall. Stay, move up, move up. You need to take fire. There's still a bunch of them right there, towards the band. Let's see where they at.
What the f***?
I'm about to just run up there, alright?
I'll shoot first.
Not there. Dead.
Dude, I'm getting hit by hella ricochet. Where is he?
We got one behind the corner and one behind the building right there. Let's see what's in there.
Watch out.
Thank you for watching this MercsAirsoft video. If you'd enjoyed this production, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter.
Right shield in the middle.